Cheers to a lifetime of love and happiness, Tita Teng and Tito Dave. So excited to celebrate this special day of you both. Wishing you all the best on this beautiful journey together. Congratulations to you both.
Dear Tita Teng and Tito Dave, today marks the beginning of a beautiful new chapter in your life. And I just want to take a moment to tell you how incredibly happy I am for you. Maybe this day be filled with love, laughter, and unforgettable memories. You deserve all the joy and happiness that life has to offer as you step in this wonderful journey of marriage. Wishing you both a lifetime of love, adventures, and cherished moment together. Congratulations in your wedding day with love, Cedric.
Dear Tita Teng and Tito John Dave, congratulations on your special day. I am grateful for being treated like a daughter by both of you. I wish you a lifetime of love, happiness, and adventures together. Thank you for your unconditional love and support. See you soon.
True.
3, 2, 1, go. Hi, Tito Dave and Tita Teng. I wish I am there on your wedding trip. But because we are far from each other, mag-grade na lang ako. Happy wedding, Tito Dave and Tito Dave. Tito Teng and Tito Dave. Congratulations to both of you and God bless you. Love you, Tito Teng and Tito Dave. Bye-bye.
Happy wedding, Tita and Tito Dave. Wish you more blessings to your family and your work. Take care in Australia and thank you for inviting me and my mother in Australia. Tita, we love you always, Tita. Thank you for caring us. I love you.
Hi everyone. Hi Teng. Hi paring Dave. Congratulations and best wishes. Finally, you are now married as a legal couple. Congratulations again and best wishes.
Hi Teng and Dave, congratulations on your wedding day. I wish you all the best in your marriage life. We may have a misunderstanding sometimes, but count me in. I'm still here. I'm your big bro and I love you always. And yun, congrats. And amping mo.
Hello, my name is Dave Ezekiel in Galopin. I am John Dave's Galopin son, and congratulations for your wedding, and I hope you will come back soon.
Hey, this is April. I'm John Dave's only sister, and I like to greet Tessa and Kuya. Congratulations on your wedding day. Finally, after all these years, you made it. So that's Mr. and Mrs. Galopin already. Bye, see you soon.
Yep. Hi JD, hi Tisa, congratulations. Amping mo di ayo-ayo.
Hi JD and Tisa, congrats sa inyong upcoming wedding. Ginaot ko nga mag-amping ug ampo lang jud mo. Kinahanglan ang Ginoo mo sentro sa inyong komunyon.
John Dave, nalipay ko nga magpakasal na jud mo. Salamat kayo. Minaot ko nga nagbalipayan mo antod sa kahanturan. Walay mga problema moabot. Salamat kayo. Magsinabtanay mo. Magpaubos sa isa-isa.
Hi everyone, Tessa and Dave. Happy wedding sa inyong dalawa. Kahit wala kami dyan, iisipin nyo lang na nagsama-sama tayong lahat. Mahal namin kayo. Sana masaya kayo sa araw na ito. Andyan naman ang ate nyo. Andyan din si Nanay Blake nyo. Masaya kami. Kahit malayo tayo sa isa't isa. Pero sa bidyong ito, parang andyan kami at nagsama-sama tayong lahat. Salamat na napag-isipan or napagdesisyonan ninyong dalawa na magpapakasal kayo. Masaya ako sa inyong mga desisyon para naman may basbas kayo sa Panginoon. Sana magkaintindihan kayong lagi. Wala akong ibang masasabi. Kung may misunderstanding man kayo, sana ayusin nyo kaagad. Huwag nyong patagalin. Wala man kami dyan mag-advise sa inyo. Huwag nyo lang kalimutan ang sinasabi ko sa inyo na magmahalan at magkaintindihan kayong dalawa. Yun lang, kahit may ups and downs man kayo, malalagpasin din ninyo yan. Tessa and Dave, sana Teng, marunong kang magpasensya kung sino man ang nagkakamali sa inyong dalawa. Dapat magkaayos kayo kaagad. Sa'yo naman Dave, malaki ang pagpapasalamat ko sa'yo dahil sa kabaitan mo. Alam namin mabait ka, mabuti kang tao. At hindi lang si Tessa ang minahal mo, kundi pati ang buong pamilya ay mahal mo na din. Sasabi ko lang, congratulations and God bless to both of you. That's all and thank you. Bye.
Hello, Tessa and Dave. Congratulations sa inyong wedding day. Today is your special day as mag-asawa na. So, we are trying our best man nung celebrate diha unta kauban ninyo. Personally, in behalf ni Mama o ni Papa, kaya di man sila maka-attend. But then still, until now, we are still praying and claiming for a granted visa result. So, nothing is impossible. Ato lang itugyan kang Lord. So, we are thinking positively nga puhon nami din ha o makauban mo. Wala man mi din ha karon sa inyo ang kasal. Ang amo ang support, amo ang mga best wishes, prayers is unta i-grant ni Lord. So, good luck sa inyong married life, o more blessings, more opportunities unta na i-grant ni Lord sa inyo, ha? Kay kabalo mi unsa mo ka generous na couple, and pasalamat mi sa inyong pag-share sa inyong mga blessings, especially din mo sa Pilipinas. Thank you kayo. Pero yung magka-goal naman si nanay din ha, nga kauban ninyo mag-celebrate. So, see you puhon, positive lang, and then continue lang tag-pray nga malay mo ugma or sunod na adlaw na ana, diba? Then naana mi din ha. We love you both. In behalf sa akong mga anak, kabalos mo unsa sila ka-excited para sa inyo, ha? Pero kasabot ra pud sila. Then maulan to, more patience sa matag usa. Dili man jud na mawala atong mga kuan side, but then part jud na siya sa relationship. So, continue loving each other, and then more blessings to comes para sa inyo. Happy kaayo mi para sa inyo, ha? And then we love you kanunay. Congratulations. See you pohon.
Hello to my brother JD and his beautiful bride Tessa. Wishing you a lifetime filled with love, laughter, and endless happiness. Congratulations and best wishes. We love you guys.
Ate Teng, Kuya Dave, congratulations on your marriage. Best wishes to you both, and God bless.
Teng and Dave, congratulations and best wishes on your marriage. Ampingin ninyo matagusa og hope, and God bless more years together. We love you. Bye-bye. Enjoy.
Kuya JD, congratulations and best wishes to you and Ate Tessa. You have always been that kind of big brother that every little brother desires and longs for. And thank you for being for being that big brother that I never had in a long while. Thank you for being that protector towards me and Wing all this time. Now that you're ready to take on a big role, I just wish and hope that you would be able to extend your kindness, your love towards Ate Tessa and Andrea. I know this is a very difficult journey that every person has to go through, but I know for a fact that you will be able to handle this one well, Kuya. Thank you for being one of the best persons I've known in my whole life. And I know that Ate Tessa and Andrea knows that you are that best person that every household or family longs for in their life. You will always be that superhero towards them, Kuya. And I know for a fact that you will be able to show them the love that they also need from you. Congratulations again, and best wishes.